When it comes to reporting in Project Online, a lot of Project Online users is probably familiar with the dashboard that Microsoft made that you can directly apply to your project plan. In this dashboard, we of course have an overview of all the projects that are currently running, what is their cost and their health, the timeline for the portfolio, together with the cost for the portfolio, the milestones, the risks, the issues, availability for the resources, and so on. And there's a lot of good information in here. Then you can start to create your own reports or work in Power BI to extend the reports that are currently here. But let me show you how this works in Projectum xPM. So in Projectum xPM, the first thing you will notice is the reports are embedded directly into the tool. So whether you're on a project or you're just on the front page here, you have the report available and don't need to go into Power BI to find the reports. And the first thing you will notice is, of course, we have an executive summary here where we can see how it's going from a very high level with the projects in the organization. We can see the financial performance for each individual project, where we have remaining budget we haven't spent yet, and what the estimate at completion is. We can also see we got quite a few projects with a red KPI that is in the need of help. And I could, of course, click here to see the more details about those projects, what is actually going on, which projects need help. And I can also see over here how it's going with the capacity for our resources, if we are going over capacity at any point in time. But let's go here to the portfolio management overview, because here we got a good breakdown of all the how much the projects are spending, the KPIs, and this is probably the place where I want to see all the projects with red KPIs. We can see quite a few projects here who has reported a red KPI that I probably want to follow up on. Now going into the overall PMO health, I can also see the trend in KPIs. We can see we got quite a few more projects here, which seems to have started out with a red KPI, which is kind of concerning, so I probably want to dive into that more. There's also reports to dive into the strategic management and the OKR and objectives. This is not something we have in the same sense in Project Online, so I'm just going to leave it there and move to the next page here. Because this is where we come into program management. And program management is a big tool in Projectum xPM, because here we can actually link our projects together with our programs and see how dependencies works across projects and how milestones are impacted on a program level, not just on a project level. And there's of course also reports for financial management, where we can see the trend of the financials together with how the actual costs are performing, and if we are projecting a trend that is going outside our current performance. There's also reports for resource management, where we quickly can see who's over-allocated or under-allocated. And of course, there's project reports that gives a nice status page to the project manager on how the project is going. Now, we have a lot of templates. I'm not going to go through all of them, but I'm quickly also just going to show the portfolio dashboard over here, because it's very similar to what we have in Project Online, where we can, of course, see the breakdown of the cost and the stages and the portfolios and overdue tasks for all our projects.